I'm working with piles of 6 petals for the 5-inch, 4-inch, and one stack of 6 petals for the 3-inch. And then this hexagon is 6 inches. I don't know what happened to me cutting the other flower, but I wanted to bring this point up because it's important. You need to cut slits in each of your petal layers, but you want to cut them staggered. So like for this one, I'm going to cut it at 2.5 inches. Actually, I might cut this one at 3 inches. This is the same size, but it's going to be inner layer. So I'm going to cut this one at 2.5 inches. And this one is going to be at 2 inches. And so on and so forth. Get the picture, right? 1.5. My smallest layer is going to be at 1 inch. So now that all the petals are glued and curled, I stack them in the order I'm going to place them on the hexagon from largest to smallest. Now it's time to glue the petals to the hexagon. You want to space them out as evenly as possible. Next row, the next set of petals, you want to line in between the center. And I'm going to keep these right with the same level so the outside will have a nice edge to it. Alright, so now we're getting to where they overlap. I'm going to have to slide a petal behind the other one.